Samsung ले recently market मा आफ्नो नयाँ flagship phone Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus launch गरेको छ अनि there's a little bit of controversy surrounding the phone किनकि Samsung has finally decided to remove the 3.5mm headphone jack. But regardless of all of that, I still think this is one of the best phones to be released your year अनि one of the best phones that Samsung has ever released in general. We do have a full review planned for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But we're going to do an unboxing of the phone, and make sure to keep yourself tuned into our channel so you can see more content on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So welcome to our review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and as you can see we have the unopened box for the phone right here in front of us. There is a plastic casing around the phone, and beneath that you can see that the packaging looks really beautiful. It's very clean and modern and looks very aesthetic. Up front it features the S Pen, which is obviously what the phone is known for. And let me just get this open. As soon as we open the box, we are greeted by the phone itself. The phone obviously feels very premium and it looks really beautiful. We have the Aura White version of the phone. The phone feels very solid in hand and we'll get back to it later. Now, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a huge 4300 mAh battery and obviously can support fast charging. The phone can support fast charging at up to 45 watts, but sadly we only get the 25 watt charger along with the box. Now, this 25 watt charger is not that bad. It can charge your phone from 0 to 100 in under an hour, but if you want to use the full charging capabilities of the phone, you'll have to buy the 45 watt charger separately. Now next up we get the data cable, which is a USB Type-C on both sides. This is so to facilitate the fast charging for the phone, and though some people might find this to be a bit problematic, you could always buy a USB Type-C to a USB Type-A adapter. And considering that most laptops nowadays do feature a Type-C port, it probably won't pose as much of a hurdle. We also get the AKG headphones along with the phone with a USB Type-C port, and this is because Samsung has finally decided to remove the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now people are having mixed emotions about this decision, but I think providing high quality AKG headphones with a USB Type-C port makes up for it. What do you think about this decision from Samsung? Well, do let me know. And we also get some spare rubber buds to fit your ear size. Next up, we have the Type-A to Type-C adapter, which is to transfer files and settings from your previous phone. And you also get some extra tips for your S Pen. On the other side of the box, you get the SIM card ejection tool, and a case for your phone, as well as guidelines and documents that no one really reads. Now let's take a look at the phone itself. Up top on the phone you can find the SIM card tray and the microphone. There is nothing on the right hand side of the phone, and on the left hand side you can find the volume rockers and the power button. Finally, down below we can find the S Pen, the speaker grills, the Type-C port, and another microphone. As soon as we turn on the phone, we are greeted by the Samsung logo and the phone's name. After which we are taken to the device registration, which I'm going to speed up a little bit. So I'm done with the registration of the phone, and the phone obviously works on Samsung's One UI built on top of Android Pie. This was just a quick unboxing of the phone, and we will definitely be making more content on the phone along with a full review in the future. Do let us know your thoughts on the phone down in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can receive more content on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus in the future. That's it for today. This is Gaurav Thamang signing off. See you guys on the next one.